Hi friends, today I want to show you how to set up a Facebook group and also to apply an app resource called Post My Party to help you to be able to schedule posts in your group. So to start your group, you're going to go to your Facebook main page and you're going to click on the Groups tab. Then you're going to click Create Group and you're going to name your group. You also have to add at least one person, and so I always add my husband because if for some reason I would get locked out of the group or get put in Facebook jail, I want to have some kind of way to communicate in that group. So I always add him and make him an admin. Okay, so now your group is created and you just have a bare shell. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to upload a cover photo. And I typically use the same cover photo for all of my parties in 1 month. You can adjust it if you want to from side to side or up and down, and then you're going to click Save. After you have added the cover photo, the next thing you need to do is you want to go to the More tab right here, and you're going to click Edit Group Settings. This is going to allow you to change a couple things. First of all, this is just for fun. I like to change the color of my group to pink because of 31 being pink. And when someone's on a mobile app, they will see that color pink when they come to the group as opposed to the blue. The other thing you can do is you can customize your address if you want. So you could put, since this lady's name is Kim, you could put Kim's 31 party, and that's already taken. So you could do Kim's fall 31 party, and that does not taken, so I can customize that. So whenever she's going to be sharing her link with her guests, that will be her custom link, group/Kim's fall 31 party. The really important thing here is if you're going to be using something like Post My Party or SendShare, you have to add the app to the group to enable it to post. So that's what you're going to click right here, Add Apps. And for me, I used Post My Party, so I'm going to apply that app. So I'm just going to go to the top search bar here, and I'm going to type in Post M, and that's going to pop up Post My Party. This is the one you want here, right here with the pink Post My Party logo. You're going to click that. It's going to say Post My Party allows you to save time by automating the post of your party's content to your Facebook groups and events. We can actually only use Post My Party in groups right now, so we're going to just click Add. And that has been added. So right there, you should be able to see that box pop up once you're done. Then you're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to click Save. Once you have all of that saved, you can then go back to your main group page, and then you can start inputting your posts. But I wanted to make sure that you knew how important that was for getting that set up first. Now, another couple really important tips when using Facebook groups for your parties. The first one is that people, when they are invited to the groups, they have to accept being added. So your hostess is going to come over here, click Add Members, and she's going to type their names, but they have to accept that add. So something that I do for all of my hostesses is I copy the URL link at the top right here, facebook.com/groups, and then it's going to have your group ID name. Here I personalized it, so mine actually has a personalized custom ID URL, but you're going to right click on that after you highlight it. You're going to click copy, and then if you go to a message, you're actually going to be able to paste that into the message, and you're going to have your hostess send that link to all of her guests that she invites to the group, because we want to make sure that they accept that ad, that way they can see your post. Otherwise, they don't get any notifications. So what I do is I have my hostesses invite her guests, After she has invited them, I say, okay, now that you've invited them, I want you to send them this really quick message to make sure that they saw that invite and that they accept the ad. And the message simply just says something like, I type it out for her. All she's do is copy and paste it, but it just simply says something like, hey Laura, I'm super excited about my Facebook party this coming week. I just added you to my group, but sometimes Facebook likes to hide things from us. So here's the group link. Just make sure that you go in and click that you accept me adding you. That way you can see the notifications, and then I include the group links that all they have to do is click it. And that makes it really easy for your hostess to copy and paste that, and it also helps your guests to know the importance of accepting that ad. That's pretty much it for setting up the Facebook group. And then after you have it all set up, you can go here and start your post. You can schedule your post using this little clock here at the bottom. If you want to schedule a post because you're working or something during the day, you can simply type a message. You're going to click the clock. And let's say you wanted to post on Saturday at 11:30 a.m. and then you can schedule that if you are not able to be live posting all the time. All right, hope that was helpful.